air show pilot, formation pilot in the United States, Jessy Panzer. Now that exact biplane you're seeing right now, the Oracle Challenger, will be hung in the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum in the Thomas W. Haas We All Fly Gallery, scheduled to open in 2021. You want to bring your family to that one, folks, because this is a moment. And right now, Team Oracle diving back into the box after that beautiful quarter clover, now going into one gigantic loop over the sky. You'll notice these are mismatched airplanes. That Oracle Challenger, serial number 1, not another like it on the planet. And Jessy commanding that extra 300L. Right now, splitting apart. Yeah, folks, this is a staggered cluster hammerhead at the exact same time. You'll watch, they lose their air control services. Little stick hard rudder. That's one beautiful cluster hammerhead. Folks, what do you think so far? Team Oracle. Yep, a lot of practice goes into this type of teamwork. They're not coming to you fresh. No, they've had over 200 practices to prepare for this moment. Right now, Jessy joining up right beside Sean Tucker into a gigantic loop, now into a wing over. I gotta tell you about Sean's passion. It's giving back. He started his own nonprofit called the Bob Hoover Academy, which helps kids who need a break in life, right in Salinas, California, empowering them through the metaphor of flight. It's the first public-private partnership for aviation education in the United States. Folks, check out the BobHooverAcademy.org to find out more information and how you can step out a school in your neighborhood. Returning to the sky, just feet off each other's wings. Jessy really having to handle that control surface of that extra 300L and match it perfectly with Sean and Dean. Right now, this has just turned into from a formation flight into a tail chase, folks. Yeah, Jessy right now staying a little bit behind. And folks, this isn't easy. No, it just got harder for Jessy Panzer, because sometimes all she gets is slow, firing up, climbing up to that vertical, showing you what high-performance aerobatic formation flight is all about. Diving into the box into a beautiful half-Cuban. Folks, what do you think of that? This is Team Oracle. Well, besides climbing mountains and flying aerobatics, Sean's also the chairman of the EAA Young Eagles program, flying over 2 million kids. His co-chairman, Jimmy Graham. Together, they're leading the charge, flying over 2 million kids, inspiring young eagles at every single air show all across the United States. Just to think of once terrified of flying Sean's father was an aviation lawyer, and growing up he heard lots of tragic airplane stories, but he faced his fear, took some aerobatic courses, and behind it, he found his passion. Jessy's father was a corporate pilot, and when Jessy was 7 years old, she lost her father to an airplane accident. But she decided to pursue aviation, why he loved it so much, and also she found her passion. Even before she sold it, she knew that she would graduate from Embry-Riddle. Now she's flown everything from Citation jets, push wings, Learjets. She's also the former U.S. Advanced Aerobatic Team member, Miss Jessy Panzer. And this is still that beautiful tail chase, firing under smoke and diving down. Now, in just a few moments, I'm going to invite that voice that we all love, Mr. Matt Jolly, to the stage. And soon, in just a few moments, we're going to play a song, and if you're a Sean Tucker fan, you're going to recognize this music right away. And what we're going to do after this staggered hammerhead right here, beautiful Sean schools of all this stuff. I don't know any of these. Come on, man. I've learned all this from you. And now Charlie, would you help me out? Because I only have the price you want. Two for the price you want. I only have one now. Like an auctioneer a little bit.
Okay.
I'd like if you could announce Jessy while I talk about what Sean D. Tucker and that Oracle Challenger is doing.
Which one is? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Jessy's over there in the
Let's hit that music, J-Rabbit.
All right. Here we go.
Okay, right here. We're gonna play that music.
Oh, this is cool. Not that one.
Not that one.
Jay.
Almost.
Come on, Rabbit. Get it together.
This will be Sean D. Tucker's famous. Oh, there it is.
There
Right now.
Okay,
What's Jessy Panzer up to? Is Sean's
She's doing a loop. A big loop, looks like to me.
right here.
Yeah.
And Sean D. Tucker commanding the box, flying in from the right into his signature figure. This one's called the Centrifuge. Pulling 8 positive G's right now, going 280 miles an hour. Folks, this is model airplane flying. It doesn't get better than this in the words of Sean D. Tucker. Yeah,
Goodness, look at Jessy though. Watch her on this line that she's over. It's got incredible the hallmark of an even aviator. This one can fly the line. Here's down the middle, keep your eyes on her. Watch the Jessy score. It's a little whifferdale we call the hammerhead. Watch her as she just holds it. Now she kicks it over. And what's
making that look easy. Sean diving into the box and his snap rolls.
That's a good score.
Jessy.
Looks like she's going into a half reverse Cuban 8 up here. Perhaps. Let's see.
Now,
Anything I say, this resembles what happens.
and on the right, Sean D. Tucker gearing up for his signature figure. This one is the front flip. That's it. End over end. Just throwing his plane around like a spare sock in a dryer.
I like that. You know, I always lose my socks in the dryer. I don't know what it is about that. Now, Jessy, as she comes down the exit, Sean's making his way back in. What's he got?
He's pulling up for his famous inside, outside loop with a tumble at the top. You guessed it, this one is the Hui Loop. Right, he is hanging from his shoulder straps.
Now, what's Jessy doing? Look at this. She is holding that line. You see it? She pushed a little negative there. Now she's right back in the box. As she starts this pull, we should see the completion of this maneuver on the right side. It's like a math problem. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. But Jessy Panzer rotates it all the way up to the top, and then she's just going to slow it down, slow it down. And there's the push. And then, look, there's Sean.
Pulling up to the vertical for the Tucker upper. Whipping his plane around. We saw Jessy do 1. Now let's see Sean do 2.
Oh, come on. At the same time.
He's showing off. Look at that. 1, 2 consecutive hammerheads. We call that one the double hammer.
I love it. What's Jessy? She's just kind of hanging out right now, high above. I love it. Jessy Panzer and Sean D. Tucker, 2 greats. And it is just wonderful to see them.
They both found their passion behind their fear, and together they're forming just a power duo right now. Sean diving back into the box for the conclusion of this solo, opposing solo section.
My favorite maneuver.
This one he pulled out at Charlie Miller, his mentor. Pulled it out the 1972 World Championship. The judges looked at that plane and they said, you know, we've seen a plane do that before. Well, then Sean and Charlie, they did something no one ever saw before. That's right, he started flying his plane backwards.
No, come on. Is he going to do that now?
He's going to do it now.
Really?
And he's not just going to fly it backwards. He's going to get up to 100 miles an hour.
And Jessy's going to fly around him.
I can't even drive 100 miles an hour backwards.
Right.
He's flying it in the air, folks. What do you think so far of Team Oracle?
Brandon, nice job, but you don't
Thank
think
you
so.
so much. Okay, well, right now, we're here to celebrate our freedoms as Americans. And that's why we're here at this airport right now in honor of our great country. Here is Team Oracle's tribute. something signature is about to happen. They're about to design something in the sky, symbolizing just how they feel about this great country. As Sean and Jessy always say, the three best words in the English language. You got that right. It's God bless America. Folks, let's give one final